Near social media for Becanina na BDHR. And I think I you. My prosecuting case, it was heard in court. Let judgment come. Judgment bar. Then, Niawu ye ways is Siano.
Wait me freely.
But now, this is prejudicial. Because, see, what in your kind, or see, book or the book share, the book contain all the original documents of the marriage. And a book no din, Stambush de Familiar. German for Mufan, maybe I'm pronouncing it. Kwaku, do you have your phone there?
No, I'm charging it.
Could you king or honum say, could you go to Google? I mean, spell them out. So, Stambush is STAMMBUCH. Stambush. De. So DER.
Stambush.
Yeah. So DER. De Familiar. So FAMILIE.
Okay.
Yeah. If you Google Stambush de Familiar, this is what is on Google.
Okay.
Stambush de Familiar is German for family register or family book.
Okay.
It is a traditional and practical item in Germany.
Okay.
Theo, it is a traditional and practical item in Germany.
Okay.
Used as a central place to collect a family's most important official, civil, and sometimes religious documents.
Okay. So in this case, Stambush de Familiano.
Yeah.
A file, the other document
it is like a diary.
A family diary.
That you keep the history.
Yeah.
And Tiebia Kwaku said ne.
Yeah.
Only Obabia Wade.
Yeah.
You can get that book.
Okay.
And yet a legal document.
And yet Stambush the family
the familia.
Court case in Sensemi Kusi between Odobroni and Mammy Akosua Serwaa no. Yen we sell lawyer Kusi Eddie and Crata be Babontia with Chilemua. Mammy Akosua Serwaa ne marriage certificate na ekuta na chese mu chire mama present some marriage certificate no e de achire eye court no na no ne hu se PSFM Kwasi Aboagye enso ba bonten be analysis bi e chire mu me ati asesa papers na lawyer Kusi Mammy Akosua Serwaa ne lawyer ne de ba bonten se eye marriage certificate no Kwasi Aboagye e chire mu a enti say because on the research is ahodo a waje e de afasa ankrata na lawyer Kusi de ba bonten no when the original who say no Kurebiasa enim a chire a marriage certificate name a family book abusua tie ni o o say dey family book na Ghana for entia settle say enra Odobroni ewe ne court case na ansa na ne egborum ne kwakotie Kwasi Aboagye ni sem no sa bre ne sem o kan ne enra after say Odobroni we na court no e the final judgment no e ba abonten sem a Kwasi Aboagye nso so esan so e de aba abonten ko ne gogo video ne ba ya kire ya adwen
lawyer ni Ojama Akosua Serwaa woni Dadzi TV for I interview bi and it's worrying amanfo enhuye.
Okay.
You see on say Kwaku ochina na judgment beba so.
Yeah.
The interview that the lawyer did is very, 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 very inappropriate.
You think it is prejudicial?
Exactly.
Oh, okay. Me heard it.
Ono aka uti interview na mebo ni no oka.
But I know say
he said yeah, I'm sorry I'm doing this before judgment.
It means that when him say
you shouldn't do it before judgment.
Error, yeah.
But he said,
so,
I'm sorry, I'm putting this
so
out.
If you are saying that, you are preempting, say.
Exactly.
Okay.
And what he's done, in my estimation, is preparing the minds of the team legal wives. Akosua Serwaa tough for towards something.
Okay.
Just in case anchor in their favor.
Okay.
They will say judge in the assembly. And what is put out there, in my estimation, and if you make deduction from interview now, if you listen and watch the interview critically, you see, sir, he was misleading a man for, and he was being disingenuous with information or the two or no. But yet still, he put it out there. So I'll play it then you listen. But I just want to say something so that you pay close attention to it.
Okay.
Now, Adiabakwa Abaye Echinijie teach you or the public. The fact say, you say Akosua Serwaa, yes, or see or your so she needs to produce a marriage certificate. Now, or produce you marriage certificate. The defendants, lawyers will not raise objection, say, and yet original copy of the marriage certificate. Inti, they want the original. The copies that will produce, certified true copy. So they drew the court attention. Yeah.
OJ certified true copy, no. Then you go for the original later.
So they drew the court's attention, said, no, pay the original marriage certificate. Lawyer no information they about to Jano. If you listen critically, the deduction and the conclusion you draw is that it means that they have up to date have not been able to produce
the original.
Wow. Meanwhile, no, or create impression say the original copies no at the ama.
But the fact
fact as presented
by on file at the court, in which they say original Ninyang Kodri.
Or no ankasa cry. I'm saying that or no ankasa.
But to the public, he's creating the impression that he has submitted the original.
Exactly.
Oh, I see.
Let's listen to a Sir interview and pay attention to it.
Okay.
It's very, very important. And then, Yamiadum, the court case me abena Yamiadum Friday about him work for the judgment by Betuja. Now, Menya, lawyer Kusi, I want the office, yes, yeah. We never been come so far, no, the court cases, you know, how we see managing, you know, the expectation, of course, when you say be our own passive comments, we work as a prejudicial, or more terms in media, or making sure, but then there's something very important the public need to know. Send there's some perception, be or how to me are clear. Now, man for whom Yama a course so at the oh. Like you see, I'll wear you, who's our bread. Who's our bread, Juma? Since I started case, that's a one now.
It's been a stressful period.
And I believe it's worth it on Friday.
Oh, it is. It's definitely going to worth it because we have grown the law.
Okay. You said that you had your chance today or cross-examination. In fact, cross-examination in a baby now be an episode. Yet, tell no senpai or double any witness and no begin that kind.
Exactly.
And no to tone no. Now, Senate, and some trouble for your report here and baby nine near Kanye. So, even when you are sitting at the courtroom, sometimes you can even see some of the contradictions in the statement. But you don't have an eye to see. You need to pronounce the judgment. The power lies on the annals of the judge to make the judgment on Friday. Now, we'll say, through the cross-examination, what did you observe? Just quick, one be prejudicial. You can just pass it.
No, in general, we did a good job.
Okay.
But I must admit the witness attempted to be smart. So, the assembly and metro areas are the back quarter. I succeeded in getting him to say what I wanted.
Okay.
What did I say? Okay. On some issues which were so critical, I think we had a good result. Overall, on the opinion, even though he sounded as though he had read the details of Odobroni witnesses, we had what we wanted, and we'll take it that way till after judgment. Then we can have a thorough discussion on what happened in court.
To me, I can say we practiced it for a long time, and looking at how Otambuafonesia handled case, or even do unfair judgment, how go through all the process, case management, how will you describe the whole process? How even do judgment they always see pay attention to more case way assembly and which I can found.
Oh, in terms of management of the court and the case, I think that it was exceptional. Case I'm in temper, I think it was 2 weeks. Similar to this one, but this one, if you look at the number of defendants in the matter, it wasn't one defendant, 3. Now, yet me, I didn't 2 weeks in its record time.
Wow.
And it happened so because the lawyers also cooperated. Because you see, the law as it is, procedurally, and can be crafted here CMC. Or even having a care direction. But at the end, I contribute to your injunction of the quantum. I don't know afford the opportunity to be before the judge, for the judge to give us that program timetable to finish the case. And even though the injunction was not granted, I think that it was good that we applied for it.
Okay, well, that was nice. But you say you want to show us something. Adebia, you did say, I said, Ubia, because one say, right now, no, Bebrine can say the trump card for Akosua Serwaa is the marriage certificate here to prove that indeed say, and yes, something I be a yakwatina baby a Photoshop. Na idea by idea, ye genuine or original. But then when you say, one can say, would you make sometimes for original and photocopies sometimes?
Exactly.
Yes. Sana be ya. In case a person will be a but won't find focus on fine. So, marriage certificate, original one, I can say, why?
You mean that's it. I must say, I'm showing these things to you before judgment. And the reason is simple. The kind of things people are seeing on the social media about
to clear
our
misconceptions.
inability to provide the originals. We did provide the original, but like we said, initially we had the certified true copies.
Okay.
Which has been verified in the court. And the other side raised objections to most of the documents, creating the impression they are not aware it's original. To judge the case, okay, or bad admitted, no, I heard it or the better, but meanwhile, original cinema. Until we called Germany for copies of the original. Now, share book Kuramia. It contains all the information in the marriage certificate.
Where do you mean to be my German language?
Familiar.
Familiar. Who familiar when there's a family count?
That's familiar.
Okay.
And Bonham, our Bonham, the registry is Bonham. And this is how it looks like, you know.
Yeah, we see.
And person my main posture and I mean draw attention to something.
Yeah.
So the first thing is, who said that's the bemu?
Yeah.
That's the say. You said you want to show us something.
Yeah.
Which means that from what does he can a lawyer Kusi
and
wakache
yes. Because statement was because of their social media for years.
Yes. Until before judgment.
Before judgment, may they be true.
You see, a case has been heard in court. The case is not being prosecuted in social media. Near social media for Bekani na be DHR. And it's you. My prosecuting case, it was heard in court. Let judgment come. Judgment bar. Then, niawu ye we sisiano.
Wait me freely.
But now, this is prejudicial. Because, see, uti in your kind, or see, book or the book share, the book contain all the original documents of the marriage. And a book no din, Stambush de familiar. German for Mufan, maybe I'm pronouncing it. Kwaku, do you have your phone there?
No, I'm charging it.
Kojo King or Honum say, Kojo, go to Google. I mean, spell them out. So, Stambush is STAMMBUCH. Stambush. De. So DER.
Stambush.
Yeah. So DER. De familiar. So FAMILIE.
Okay.
Yeah. If you Google Stambush de familiar, This is what is on Google.
Okay.
Stammbuch de Familiar is German for family register or family book.
Okay.
It is a traditional and practical item in Germany.
Okay.
Theo, it is a traditional and practical item in Germany.
Okay.
Used as a central place to collect a family's most important official, civil, and sometimes religious documents.
Okay. So in this case, you know, Stammbuch de Familiano.
Yeah.
A file, the other document this is man.
It is like a diary.
A family diary.
That you keep the history.
Yeah.
And Tiebia Kwaku said ne.
Yeah.
Only Obabia Wade.
Yeah.
You can get that book.
Okay.
And yet a legal document.
And yet Stammbuch de Familia.
Stammbuch de Familia. Stammbuch de Familia.
Okay, Stammbuch de Familia.
Family book, family register.
Okay, so it is not Stammbuch de Familia. Nangasa na a legal document.
It is not a legal document.
It's like me funny say you know simplistic like a file,
like a diary, like a diary,
okay,
and a file. So you keep those things in there.
Okay.
Until you are documenting the history of Ebusiano.
Yeah.
At least this is there. This is what is there.
Yeah.
And OBOC for Germany, you want to challenge and just it's not a legal document.
Yeah. Ebia me suspicion is Ebia na marriage certificate because if it's a diary, it cannot be taken to be a legal document. Ebia na shim. I mean, that's my assumption. Say Ebia na ana kwejo.
So
because that does not amount to.
So if I proceed, na se me bo eni na utia, oyi paper bi I shame.
Okay.
Paper na shame no again. Wo enye
the original.
Enye marriage certificate. Or say sa paper no mu use di omo dey extract the marriage certificate.
So where is the marriage certificate?
Okay. Or say this is not me saying it too.
Okay.
Or no say sa Stammbuch de Familiano.
Yeah.
And no mu use the extract Akosua Serwaa any Lumba marriage certificate.
Okay.
So that's what I'm saying. Say that Stammbuch de Familiano documents family history. So and now 2004, Lumba ne Akosua Serwaa no, they documented it. So you can get that book, and I'm saying a legal document. So
as a family, per the definition on
Ubet me, you can own that or you cannot own that. Yeah, because you person can be.
Yeah, me busa Google say.
Yeah.
Stammbuch de Familia, a legal document in German law, and all the way by. Or say, a Stammbuch de Familia is not a legal document itself under current German law, but rather a family register, a bound book or folder that contains official certified copies of legal civil status certificates. So the legal documents are the official certificates contained within it. Example, birth, marriage, and death
so
certificates.
My presumption was right.
Issued by.
Say, Oyen is simplistic. I just say folder.
So, Osha.
As we go hospital near you folder, bra.
And on one BMA, it's not even like it's like a diary. Who send you a tin up? And on one put the chair now. I had to say diary. So let's say the first page. No one enter.
Okay.
And then Abia, we got married 2004.
That means that I know it doesn't amount.
But papers be the chair that's you. Video no.
Ebia na set ni shame.
Video no. Oyi papers be so the chair that's
it. So you want me to continue? And I'm saying that on one year, sir, or see sir first page, and I had the privilege of looking at it.
I said a video interview.
Yeah.
No, but I'm saying that I've seen the copy.
Okay.
I've seen the copy.
Okay.
That has the
family details
of Lumba ni Akosua Serwaa is there.
Okay.
That is there. So they went to do some information, normally called a copy of the marriage certificate. So I said, I said, who interview? So I called. I have a friend, my schoolmate.
Oh, German.
Niku ye German.
Oh, okay.
German.
Alice Clafon.
The Niku ye German citizen. Omumienu na Ghana for.
Okay.
Like Ghana ni, but or a German citizen.
Okay.
Niku or Germany.
Okay.
So I called my friend. My friend called the husband. No, then a toast. So we had conference call. Now I say, "Mentia si omu no ma wari o Germany. Omu chechim. Osi onu kra no omu ni establish the family and because but our marriage certificate.
Yeah.
And Okachem say, "Omo bibi FM say, is it? Oh, I need to check the name correct. Stand something or see.
Who document that you can choose to keep them in a folder or not.
Or see, or even near one say, open original copy of your marriage certificate. CCR. You work the agency for marriage, register of marriages. CCR Ghana, I think we have register of marriages. First one, I think register general. But I think CCR meaning so much pretty. So that agency, you can walk into the agency and you pay, they'll give you original copies. But I understand, sir, if you need original copies, they will ask you, the purpose. If it is going to a court, they won't hand it over to you. This is what they were telling me. They won't hand it to you.
Send it to the court.
Exactly.
Okay.
They won't hand it over to you. This is media meaning
a German citizen telling
and
me.
This is what the explanation they gave me. You understand? So, the difficulty in trying to get the original, unless there's ulterior motive, BBB, because you see, if you are not married and you go and you say your current status, if you walk into, that's what they'll give you. Otherwise, you should be able to produce the original,
the old one,
and you can walk into. Oh, they have a name for the registry.
I've seen an old one.
But that's what I'm saying. You can walk to. There be waiting here call registry. Honum say no. I'm looking for
without the old copy.
Oh, what's the name? Oh, stand the samt.
Okay.
But you're German, you stand the samt.
Okay.
That is the agency
responsible for marriage.
Yeah, those things. They keep those records for marriages, divorce, birth, and those things.
Okay.
You can walk into stand samt.
Okay.
Then get a copy. You understand? But they will ask you the purpose. And
you
if,
guys
exactly.
It looks like, Toba, this pager, there's information, articular information here about the certificate.
Okay.
It is based on this that an extract is made as a certificate that is given out. The information
also about this pager, there is information about the marriage. It is based on this that an extract is made. One cassette, this is the original marriage certificate. Or say Oba, there's an information.
Of course, your original now, there wouldn't be the need for extract to be so original here.
Exactly.
Yeah. So you're only analyzing the interview in this case.
Exactly.
Okay. Yeah, it makes common sense to say original now or they say based on this near extract, because in any case we don't need an extract.
Yeah.
It's the original we need.
Yeah.
Okay. So or say the Stambuk the Familiano or say it is a private collection containing original or certified copies of official civil status certificate. So either the original or the certified copies. And video no lawyer Kusi said this is the certified copies, you know. And you know, as they say,
no, but Tio,
in a way,
the Akwasi can now mean in the argument say at this legal stage, the court wouldn't accept certified legal copies. They would accept the original.
From Germany.
From Germany.
And you know, in Germany, either it is a certified copy.
It is the folder that contains either this or that. It does not
it
mean
is your
say-
private collection.
Exactly, private collection. It does not mean say the one who folder him we tamba could be around the back what they were to
Exactly.
Folder no and they contain either this or that. But when the court is demanding the original, you can't come and tell the court say, "I'm in for that."
Because mind you, say defendant na raise objection.
Exactly.
Say
To the certified copy.
certified true copy no entum. Omu fi say
Good.
enye it doesn't show the true status
Yeah.
of Akosua Serwaa.
Yeah.
Because almost say our enegu.
Yeah.
That is what they are alleging. Into omo tell say produce the original.
Yeah.
Because it's like omo yomu hwehwe
Yeah,
say
if I say
the video.
only one more abroach ni di nkoma. Ukoye your first marriage na preliminary stage no member certified true copy. Na later wakwaji original. Upe say one mend the immigration status they won't take the certified true copy.
Yeah.
They'll take the original.
Yeah.
Inti say who will folder be a friend stamp book who said they are. To make us say I know the certified copy the womb chinchi omunye. It is the original they need. You get it?
But I don't know, I say, ubetimi ako stand this something.
No, yeah, of course.
Original.
So why you run now? Which me I request the original, yeah.
So I didn't know one cost stand this something.
Ankoji.
Anchor the original copy.
Every so akwaji kwa. Every akwaji kwa.
But I don't know, me see one
fan.
fan kono see extra. Now one thing me papa can kwegu.
I can't agree with you, but me I won't believe say.
What is say papa nika say
I won't believe say.
One can say tie okacho say what interview so say okoji or stand this something.
No, anka.
But see, yes, omo Stambush the familiar no no more extra tea.
But me I go say I want to believe say be a original say kasa. Not ruling him by NT. He wants to be economical with the information. Because of course, if the court says I need the original, nothing but the original.
And I say
the man's purpose they say or say first of all a man for
You want to
social media.
satisfy social media.
Why do you worsen it? Because if social media can say you are now even worsening
okay, I get your point. Because the social media for Binu Muka say, when you for original, the way Unyan Jambia original in
oh,
this is a copy of the original.
From Standard Sun.
Okay, I Ghana. Because a rumor now, Baba correct it.
Exactly.
Don't for original number, you end up escalating the rumor.
Exactly.
I get your point.
And
I get your point.
misleading people to believe, say, the Stambush the Familiano represent the original copy of the marriage certificate, which is not true.
I see any angel court in your court.
No, but your papa never hear interview.
Because baby, I know you are doing so when you original India.
Me and Yamina,
He shouldn't attempt.
it is the man who did interview, and I listened to them. I said, what is this man trying
Baby,
to
I
do?
know you are doing. No say, okay, obiti baby, no okay, can't say being say, when you say, oh, Akosua kwa went to me and for original ma.
Yeah.
And as a lawyer, if you have the original, that is the only
And your court
thing.
now,
Who feel say we will court no, but you want to satisfy social
who
media.
satisfied for them?
So according to statement, you know, or say this wouldn't have been necessary, but amount for the social media can say more him. It is a over correct a rumor there. Then you come with the original.
Yeah.
And you have been over extra.
And unim say who interview now. Still,
on that score, I agree with
the
you.
only marriage certificate to me a showcase it was interview no. Yes, still the certified true copy.
And no, maybe because Abia behind the scene or the original number.
No, I am saying that for us, this is what we show. The certified still also certified true copy.
Maybe the original number court, but the way you interview. Your man benefit of the doubt because where I agree with you is that I don't know. You see, and your original. And if you are not coming to show us the original, keep your explanation. That should have been it.